Alright guys, welcome back to our local Menards in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Guess what? Guess what's going on with the elevator today? They just got done with the inspection test last year, and now we're finally going to get to ride it. It is a brand new 2019/20 Schumacher hydraulic elevator with PTL buttons. The door operator is a lot faster than the one in Oak Creek. It's a little faster actually, almost the same speed. Let's go to 2. The fan is off, so good thing. And let's hear the motor. Here we go. Beautiful motor. Let's go back down to 1. Okay. Here's your lantern. Door close button works. I like that. Let's go ahead and get a cab view. Shoot, my battery's running low, so I gotta hurry this up. It's a very nice elevator. It's really big. Interesting shape how it's narrow. Look how big those doors are. And by the way, these buttons here are actually PTL buttons. These are not Mad BS. Let's take one more ride in this thing. I'll stand in the corner. Right here. Listen to that motor. That is beautiful. Let's go ahead and ring the bell. Notice the button stays lit when the chime rings, and when the door closes, the button will go out. Watch this. The button goes out, and there goes the door. I'll head back down in just 1 moment, because I got something to show you back over here. Here's the machine room right here. All right, let's go back down there. See, look, here's. Not sure what kind. Oh, GAL door. And you know, guys, one fun fact I want to say about this elevator. This thing took almost about a whole year to finish this. A whole year last year. Alright, here at 1. Here's your blue Acme indicator. Again, this is a Schumacher elevator with PTL buttons. These are VR2 buttons actually. Let's ring the bell. These are PTL VR2 buttons. And you guys heard me this before, but if you guys want to know what the door is, then it's a GAO door. And for somewhat reason, what else is I was wondering about this elevator is that when is this thing gonna have advertisements on this thing? There's no elevator sign yet. They might put it up soon. That'll be a good question for Chris to answer. But anyways, guys, other than that, hope you all enjoyed this video and about this new elevator project. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel, and hope you all have a good day. And that's it.